Hi guys, it's Friendly Advice again. I have another tip for you. So I have been growing cucumber in the summer in my garden, and for the first time the cucumbers are bitter. And I was thinking, oh my God, I have to throw them all out. But I found a very good trick to make your bitter cucumber taste yummy. So let's get started. So this is a cucumber from my garden that I've taken out, okay? So what you have to do is this side where the cucumber was attached to the plant right here. This is where all this, there's this chemical, because of inconsistent watering, the chemical makes it bitter, okay? So what you have to do is, here's the stem right here. So you have to cut the cucumber a little further. So you don't cut it at the edge, you cut it a bit further, more of the cucumber. And the first thing you do is, right here, I cut it. I'm gonna add some salt to it, okay? So I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to the cucumber. And I'm gonna use this piece and I'm gonna rub it. When you rub it, all this white stuff will come out. That is the bitterness that's coming out of the cucumber. So you rub it, okay? You need to do this at least, I would say, for a minute. And that's the first thing you do, okay? So just rub as much as, can you see the white stuff that's coming out? Right there, yep. That's the bitterness that's coming off the cucumber, okay? So you need to do this first for a minute or so, okay? That's the first thing you do. Step 2 is you need to wash this bitterness away. So you need to wash this, what you have rubbed, nicely. So I washed it nicely. Now I'm gonna cut it for a little bit more, okay? I'm gonna cut it off that where I rubbed it. I'm gonna cut more of that cucumber. So the bitterness is in here and it's also in the peel, the green peel. So that's the next step. You need to peel the cucumber up really nicely, okay? So you peel the whole thing, the whole cucumber, and see, look what I've done. I'm peeling it, the whole cucumber nicely, and I am going to, because the peel is where the bitterness is. Okay, so look, I've peeled the whole thing, but I'm gonna peel it one more time, okay? So twice, 2 times you have to peel it, because you want all this green bit has to be off, because that's where the bitterness is. So once you peel it twice, all the bitterness should go. The cucumber needs to look nice and almost white, I would say, for it to lose the bitterness, okay? And you don't need to worry about the other side. It's the stem that's the problem, okay? So right here, now you can see how white my cucumber looks. Now I'm gonna taste it and I'm gonna let you know how it is. So I got my cucumber ready and now I'm gonna do a test taste and let's see how it is. Okay, so here it is, here we go. Mmm, yummy, very, very nice. So use this trick when you have bitter cucumbers in your garden. This cucumber will taste as bitter as a bitter gourd, Karela, but now it tastes yummy. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, make sure you like and send me comments. Let me know how you make your cucumbers taste yummy, okay? Thank you, have a good day.